Discipline doesn't have to hurt to work. As Muslim mothers, we are called to raise hearts, not just control behavior. So how do we set boundaries without breaking their spirit? Today, let's explore how to discipline with love, calm, and the guidance of our Deen. Start by setting clear expectations, not reactive rules. Use visual aids like behavior charts, routines, or family agreements. Instead of yelling when a rule is broken, remind. Remember what we agreed, my love? We speak gently in this home. Say this with eye contact, calm tone, and warmth. Discipline starts with connection, not control. Dua tip. Begin your day with your child. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min munkaratil akhlaq. Oh Allah, I seek refuge in you from bad character. Let them hear that even mama relies on Allah for good behavior. Redirection is powerful. Instead of, why are you so naughty? Try, I see you're upset. Can we talk over here? Redirect, don't reject. Create a time and space, not a timeout. A cozy corner with a Qur'an, emotion cards, and soft cushions. Let it be a place for reflection, not shame. Prophet's wisdom. The Prophet said, "The strong is not the one who can overpower others, but the one who controls himself when angry." Bukhari and Muslim. Discipline you first, then guide. Discipline is a teaching moment. After a misstep, ask, what do you think went wrong? What would please Allah next time? Can we ask Allah together for strength? This nurtures taqwa, not fear. Teach them to pause, reflect, and return, just like we do after sin. Do a practice. Recite together, Rabbi ighfir li wa li walidayya. My Lord, forgive me and my parents. Instead of punishing harshly, use natural consequences. If a toy is broken, pause, breathe, then say, let's see how we can fix this. And what can we learn for next time? They clean what they spill. They apologize for what they break. Discipline becomes a process of accountability, not humiliation. Ibn Qayyim rahimahullah said, the child is a trust. His heart is pure. If taught good, he will grow upon it. Discipline with love is not permissiveness, it's prophetic. Our goal isn't perfect behavior, it's purified hearts. We want children who love Allah, think before they act, respect boundaries without fear. Let your child feel that home is the safest place to make mistakes and grow. Discipline with connection. Anchor it in dua and plant mercy in every correction. May Allah make us among the mothers who discipline with justice, love, and light. Ameen.